If you wanna customize your Wix website but not sure where to start, whether you are updating text, changing images or redesigning the layout, this step-by-step guide will make it easy, perfect for beginners. We'll walk you through everything you need to know to confidently edit your site and make it look exactly the way you want. First of all, go to wix.com and click on login to log in here with your account. If you don't have any account, then click on get started and create an account here. I do have an account. For that, I need to click on login and then I need to provide my account details here. So my account is with Google. So I need to select Google here, then select the Google account and then your account will be logged in on Wix and then it will take you to the Wix dashboard. From here we can choose our site or create a new site. I already have these 3 sites here. But if you don't have any site, then to create a site, we need to click on create new site or you can click on this drop down arrow and then it will show you bunch of options here. If you wanna create a site using Studio template, then you can go with it or you can start with a blank canvas, Studio sitemap and wireframes, use Wix editor or you can use your own template. I'm gonna select Studio template here. Now Wix will show me all of the templates they have. If you wanna search for a specific template, then you can search that here or you can filter it by any filter here. So let's say you wanna go for a portfolio template, then select portfolio here and then they will show you all of the portfolio templates they have. Similarly, they have marketing templates, e-commerce template, wireframes and minimal. So I'm just gonna go for all responsive templates here. So I need to scroll down here. So this template looks good. If I want to view it, then I can hover over it and click on view and then they will show me the preview of this template. So this template is good. I want to edit it. For that I just need to click on edit from here and then it will take me to the Wix editor. From here we can update text, change images. So basically we can do everything which we want for our website. So firstly we'll look at the interface. So this is the main area where we'll see preview of our site so that we'll get the idea of how it will look on desktop. If you want to know how it will look on mobile view, then for that we need to switch to mobile view from here and then they will show us the mobile view. If you want to see the tablet view, then for that select tablet from here. But I'm just gonna go with the desktop one and you can do any changes you want for desktop and they will be applied to your mobile too because Wix editor is a responsive editor where everything will be aligned perfectly for all of the devices. So on the left hand side you will see this option. When we click on this drop down arrow, then it will show you all of the pages your website currently have. So let's say I want to edit my home page, then I just need to select home page here and then they will show me the homepage preview and I can edit anything for my homepage from here. But if I want to edit my about us page, then for that I need to click on this drop down arrow and select the page which you want to edit. So let's say I want to edit my about us page, then I need to select that page here and then they will load the about us page interface here. So we just need to wait for a bit and now you can see about us page has been loaded here. So let's say I want to go back to my home page, then for that I need to again click on this drop down arrow and select my home page from here. So this is the section which can be used for switching to different pages to edit them. If you do some unwanted changes, then for that just use these tools which is undo and redo, which can be used for correction of unwanted errors. So this is the basic interface. So let's start with our editing. So first of all I wanna update this text. So to do that we just need to double tap on this element like this. Once you double tap on it, then this text will be selected. Now we again need to double tap on it and now all of the text will be highlighted. Now you can type whatever you want on this text. So let's say I wanna add my channel name here. For that I just need to type it like this while selecting that text. So this is the channel name I have. Now I want to enter here and then enter will be added to. Express has been added as well. Now let's say I want to customize this text. Then for that firstly we need to select all of the text from here. Then go to the right hand panel and under it we can customize everything related to our text, such as changing font. So this is the font which we have. So I just need to select it and let's go with this one. And now you can see the font has been changed, but the size of this font is way too small. So to increase it, you need to go to the right hand panel and under it you can see this font size. So I want to make it 75. Let's go with this one and now you can see 75 is perfect. Now I can scroll here. If I want to change the color of it, then I can select the color box from here and I can choose whatever color I want. Basic theme colors are available here which are used for my site because this template use these colors. That's why these are the theme colors, but I want to go for a custom color. For that I can click on add. So let's go with this dark green and to apply it we need to click here and then the color will be applied on my site. You can repeat the similar process for changing any text further. Now let's say I want to change this text too. So for that we just need to repeat the process. Double tap on the text, again double tap on it, then whole text will be selected and you can type whatever you want. So let's say I want to type here the traveler shoes which you need and then the text will be added. To customize it, we just need to select the text and then go to the right hand panel, and from here you can change font, text and whatever you want. So let's say I want to make this text italic. For that, firstly I need to select the text and let's go with this italic one, and then the text will be italic. You can also change the alignments here. So I want to place it in the center. I can also place it like this. You can also change the formatting, capitalization. So basically everything is here. You can also add shadows. So this is the complete process of changing text or customizing text in Wix. Now let's talk about changing images or customizing images in Wix. So let's say I want to change this background image. For that, I need to select that image first, then again select it. Then you will see this window here. We need to click on change image to change the picture here. If you want to generate an AI image, then for that click on create AI image, and you can provide the prompt here and the AI image will be generated, and you can use that for your background. And I want to change this picture. For that, I need to click on change image, and then it will open this new window here. From here I can use media from Wix. These images are from Wix. You can use them. If you want to search for a specific image, then you can use this search bar and you can search for any image. But I want to upload an image from my computer. For that, I need to click on upload media, then click on upload from computer, or you can use Wix image, Google Drive, Facebook, or any image you have. So I have an image on my computer, so I'm just gonna click on upload from computer and select the image. So this image is the perfect one for my background, so I'll just select it and then hit open. Once your image is uploaded, we need to click on update, and then our image will be updated on our site. If you want to customize your image, then for that click on setting, and here if you click on adjust, then from here we can adjust the brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, and all of these things can be adjusted from here. If you want to apply any filter for your image, and from here pick any of the filter you want. You can also use object eraser, AI image editor, regenerate, cutout, text, decorative, overlays and background. So basically you can explore all of these things with your own. And now I'm just gonna click on save because I don't want to adjust my image here. You can also choose whether you want your image to be clickable or not. So for that we just need to open settings, and here we need to select an option. So first option is this, which is nothing happens. So whenever someone clicks on this image, nothing will happen. But if you want someone to click on this image and then they will redirect to a new link, then for that select second option, which is a link opens, and here we need to click, and after that this window will open, and from the page selected, here we need to choose the page where the website viewer will redirect when they click on this image. So let's say I want him to redirect to about us page, then for that I just need to select it and then hit done, and now when someone clicks on this image, they will be redirected to my about us page. But I don't want him to redirect, that's why I'm just gonna select first option, which is nothing happens. You can also mask your site. You can crop it by selecting this crop tool. When you select it, now you can reposition your image like you want. So let's say I'm just gonna put this portion here, and to set it we just need to hit apply, or you can rotate it accordingly. So I'm just gonna click on apply here. Now let's say I want to delete this element here, or I want to hide this element. Then for that we just need to select this element here like this, then click on these three dots. Now it will show you bunch of options here. If you want to hide it, then click on hide, or if you want to permanently delete it, then click on delete, or you can use backspace as your shortcut key, or you can explore all of these things here. I want to delete it. For that I'll select delete from here, and now that element will be gone from our interface. Now let's explore all these options here. On the left hand side, first option is this, which is add elements. When we select it, then it will open a new panel on the left hand side. First option is this, which is quick add. It will show you all of the quick additions you can do on your website, such as image, title, paragraph, button, container, section, stack, or if you want to add any video on your site, then for that select video from add element and drag it on your preview screen. So I want to place it here, so let's leave it here. And now to increase its size, we just need to drag the handles and then the size will be increased. So let's just place it here. And if you want to change the video, then select the video first, then click on change video and upload the video which you want, or you can paste the link here of any YouTube video, but I don't want to do it. And in case you want to change this play button, then for that select the play button here, then click on change big play button and choose any play button you want. So let's go with this YouTube one, and now that button will be changed. So basically you just need to play around things to change or customize them. And now I have added the video here. Now let's explore second option, which is this one, layers. Under it we'll see all of the layers which we currently have on our home page. You can see currently I have selected the home page here, that's why I am seeing all of these options here. But I want to change my product page placement. So let's say I want to place my product page on the top of my site. For that I just need to drag this product page here and place it over welcome page. and then welcome page will be replaced with my product page like this. And in case I want to add any section between them, then for that I just need to hover between them and add section option will appear here. I can click on it and now a new section will be added. If I want to change its element, then I can click on add an element and I can choose any element I want. So let's say I want to add a media element, then for that I can select media from here and choose any image you want. So let's say I want to add this simple image, and then that image will be added here. I can click on these three dots or I can click on this icon here to set it as my background. Once I click on it, then that image will be set as my background, and now I can add any element I want by clicking on add element, and I can select any of the element which I want. So this is the basic thing of adding element and changing or moving our pages by using this layers icon. And now if you go to pages here, you will see all of the pages you currently have on your site. To minimize them, we can click on this drop down arrow, then all of the pages will be shown in one screen and you can explore any page you want. So let's say I want to edit my category page, then for that I need to select my category page from here, and then category page will be shown on my preview screen. And now fourth option is this, which is visual sitemap. If you select this option, then it will show you the visual sitemap of your site. You can expand the view by clicking on here, and then it will show you the expanded view of your site. So let's say I want to change the position of this header on my privacy policy page, so I can just easily place it from here. So you don't have to go to your site editor and do that from there. You can easily rearrange them from here using this sitemap option. And now if I go to the fifth option, which is site style, from here I can customize all of the things for my site at once. So let's say I want to change the color theme of my site, then I can just go to site style and I can choose whatever color I want. These colors are set by Wix because I have used their preset, that's why these colors are now selected. If I want to change the font for my site, then I can go to typography and I can choose whatever font I want to have for my site. This is the media option from which you can add any media for your site. And next one is global sections, and after that we'll see app market, from which we can use any plugin or any app which you want to add for our site. So let's say you want to add a frequently asked question page which Wix doesn't have. So to add that page, we need to search here FAQ under apps, and then you can add Wix FAQ app to your site to add a frequently asked question page so that viewer can ask your questions. So these are the basic things which you need to do for editing your site. Now to preview our site before publishing, we need to click on this drop down arrow next to the eye icon, and then we'll see bunch of options here. First option is preview in editor, which I don't prefer, so I'm just gonna go with this one, which is preview as test site, and then it will open this pop-up. We need to click on create test site, and you can see all the changes have been successfully made on our site. These are the changes I did. And now if I go to my site editor here, I can just click on publish. To publish my site, you can also choose your domain name here. I currently don't have any domain, but if you do have any domain, then you can connect it from here. And here we need to click on save and continue, and that's how you can edit your Wix site. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.